How to deactivate Messenger account as if the new update on Messenger. So in the video today, I'll show you how to deactivate your Messenger account. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So for the very first step, you're going to want to make sure that you head over to the App Store and make sure that your Messenger is updated. Now, this is very important to avoid any problems in the future. So just go ahead and make sure that your Messenger account is updated to the newest version. Now, on iPhone, you can actually check version history here and see all of the newest versions as well as the description behind it. So go ahead and check that out. But once you actually have that finished and your Messenger is actually updated, head over to the Messenger app. Now, once you're here, at the top left-hand corner, click the 3 parallel lines. Once you go ahead and do that, it should come up with the option here. Now, there's going to be a gearbox in blue. Now, go ahead and click that. Once you do that, it should bring you to the settings page. Now, you'll be able to see your name as well as a few other settings here. Now, make sure you head all the way down to account settings. Now, once you've done that, click account settings. Now, once you click account settings, you should be able to see the account settings here and much more. So once you've actually done that, head over to personal information under account. Now, go ahead and click on manage account. The very last option is say deactivation settings right under manage account. Once you've done that, it should come up with a page just like this. It should say account and deactivate. Now go ahead and blue text, click the deactivate button. Now here for your security, you're gonna have to enter your password. But from here on out, it should actually be straightforward and it'll actually go ahead and give you the deactivation settings for your Facebook account or Messenger account. So hopefully you found the video extremely helpful. And with that being said, please leave a like on this video if you did find this helpful. Also leave a comment down below how this actually helped you. And if it didn't help you, make sure to leave a comment down below of that as well, because I do take my channel very seriously and I try to answer all of your problems and find solutions for them. With that being said, I'll see you guys until next time and have a good day.